Want to save $500 fast? In this video, you'll learn 5 simple ways to save $500 in just 28 days. No side hustle, no stress. These methods are practical, proven, and anyone can do them. Let's get started. First, cancel subscriptions you don't use. Streaming services, unused gym memberships, and forgotten app trials could be costing you more than you think. Cutting just 3 services, say $15 for Netflix, $10 for Spotify, and $30 for a gym, saves you $55 this month. Next, take on the 28-day cook-at-home challenge. Eating out just 3 times a week can cost over $150 a month. By cooking your meals at home, you can save up to $100 to $120 easily. Plan your meals, buy groceries once a week, and avoid food delivery apps. Weekends are where most people overspend. Challenge yourself with no-spend weekends. Skip shopping, restaurants, or entertainment costs. Instead, go for free activities like walks, library visits, or game nights. Just 2 no-spend weekends can save you $80 or more. Look around your home. There's probably money sitting in your closet. Sell unused clothes, electronics, or furniture on apps like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Most people can make $100 to $200 in just one weekend by decluttering. Finally, automate your savings. Use your banking app to auto-transfer $5 to $10 daily into a separate savings account. You'll barely notice it, but in 28 days, that's $140 to $280 saved. Apps like Chime or Digit make this process effortless. And that's how you can save $500 in 28 days without extra income. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more smart money tips every week.